Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today we're diving into the latest financial results of Burlington Stores, Inc., a leading off-price retailer known for its high-quality, branded merchandise at everyday low prices. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
The Burlington Stores, Inc. reported strong financial results for the second quarter of fiscal 2024, with total sales increasing by 13% and comparable store sales growing by 5%. The company achieved a net income of $74 million and a diluted EPS of $1.15. Excluding certain expenses, adjusted EPS increased by 98% to $1.24. The company also raised its adjusted EPS guidance for the full fiscal year 2024 to a range of $7.66 to $7.96.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $2,461 million, an increase of 13% compared to the same period last year, which was $2,170 million.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP EPS for the current quarter was $1.05, compared to 47 cents in the same period last year. The non-GAAP adjusted EPS was $1.24, compared to 63 cents in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
The article does not break down performance by specific business segments. It only provides overall company performance metrics.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP SG&A expenses for the current quarter were 35.1% of net sales compared to 35.7% in the same period last year. The non-GAAP adjusted SG&A was 27.1% of net sales compared to 27.0% in the same period last year.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheet include merchandise inventories increased by 5% to $1,223 million. The company ended the quarter with $1,476 million in liquidity, including $660 million in unrestricted cash. Total debt was $1,402 million.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
Key points of the cash flow statements include net cash provided by operating activities, $210 million. Net cash used in investing activities, $362 million. Net cash used in financing activities, $113 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Key points regarding cash flow activities include net cash provided by operating activities was $209.8 million. Net cash used in investing activities was $362.3 million. Net cash used in financing activities was $113 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The article does not mention any specific strategic initiatives, product launches, or partnerships announced in the current quarter.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks and challenges highlighted include incremental cost pressure from ocean freight, general economic conditions such as inflation, competitive factors and the rise of e-commerce spending, seasonal fluctuations in sales and inventory levels, ability to identify changing consumer preferences and demand.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For the full fiscal year 2024, the company expects total sales to increase in the range of 9% to 10%, comparable store sales to increase in the range of 2 to 3%, adjusted EBIT margin to increase in the range of 50 to 70 basis points, adjusted EPS in the range of $7.66 to $7.96.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
Based on the financial results and strategic updates, Burlington Stores Inc. has demonstrated strong performance, beating expectations with significant sales growth, margin expansion, and earnings improvement. The company has also raised its adjusted EPS guidance for the full fiscal year, indicating confidence in its future outlook despite some cost pressures.
That's all for today's analysis of Burlington Stores Inc.'s impressive second quarter performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Burlington is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.